Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and it is a beautiful day in late February. I'm not only just wearing short sleeves, I'm wearing shorts. Unbelievable. So, thought I'd treat you to some views out here before we go inside the boat and tackle a couple mini projects. I'm going to clean this area in here where the batteries go, because I'm going to put the batteries back on today if I can. I brought them with me because there's just too much that I want to do on the boat that requires a little bit of power. So it's towards the end of February, so I think the batteries will be fine. The weather's been above normal temperatures, and this whole next week it'll be above freezing again. So we're almost into March. So you can see there are a lot of, these are all in here by Phillips heads. So I've got my drill with me, and I'll take all those out and get this cleaned up for the batteries. All right, I'm gonna actually vacuum all this first. I scrubbed as good as I could. I'm gonna put these back in. They're pretty good. They're also sticky on the back. Eventually I would drop one. And I got it. Okay, so clean that all out. It's a little bit better. The muck in there. Some of the stains they don't come out, but yep. So now I gotta put all these batteries back where they were before. All right, everybody's snug back in here. All the batteries are hooked up. Simple thing, but happy to get that all cleaned out. Well, now the hatch is working. All right, so I'm gonna replace this courtesy light. Tasty. All right. Okay, there seems to be plenty of room here. All right, so this is my LED. Is the other one gonna fit on this hole here? Let's see. A little bit of a different thing here. Oh, 16. All right. No, I did not want to come off. All right. All right, I'm gonna see if that is correct. That appears to be wrong. Get it reversed. All right, let's try that. So that's correct. don't know if this is a 16, 14 gauge. I'm gonna have to test it, but I think this is the connection I'll use. Okay. It's not satisfying. We don't hear the click. But I think it's in there. I know this is small, but should be able to get in there. The other one got in there. Nope. Come on, puppy. Pick a different one, just in case. Ha! That got in there. And slides in here. Okay. Well, before I go ahead and heat that up, let's go ahead and test that. Alright. I got my Wagner heat gun. Alright, I'll let this gun cool off. Alright, so I scraped all that, most of that stuff off and cleaned it with acetone. So this is all ready. I don't know that the holes are exact, so this is the moment of truth. Yeah, I didn't think they were, but the other side wasn't either. So there's like a whole length off. So I may have to drill another hole, or I may just see if it takes. All right, we're not gonna get away with this because it's gonna go up and down. I think I drilled a hole on the other side, so we'll have to drill a hole. Courtesy light on the port side, courtesy light on the starboard side. All right, so now that I have the batteries in, I can check the trim tabs. All right, trim tabs are all the way up. This is obviously the starboard side. I was just seeing if that listing that we had on the boat was related to a trim tab problem. And this is the port side. And the port side is all completely up as well. Doesn't look like any problems there. So I'm gonna deploy them fully and see what happens. So that's fully deployed. And here's the port, fully deployed. This is 120. So the trim tabs, both outdrives, have been scraped of ball barnacles and have been sanded, and then I blew them dry. So they are prepped for primer. Probably the Admiral will do with me next time. Just taking a little walk at the end of the day. It's like 5:30. I feel like I'm in Florida right now. So, hope you enjoyed this episode of Eternity Shore and checking some things off the list of things that we have. So, hope to see you again soon. We're not number 12. And we're not number 8. But we're number 6. Right here. Got a line up there all ready for us. The line looks so lonely there. But that's ready for us. We're not ready for us yet, but soon.